MLA NONGPOH uba Meral Bon CM hakalai photari kujiliu ulalit ban PLIE patba eka Computer Science Laboratory jongka Alpha English Higher Secondary School NONGPOH nakapenta ka jingmentoi jungki khanna katkum kani ka job ka bamanta ka ba ka core computer ka long ka badon kam bat kongsan shibanta jongka jingpuli ya kani ka Computer Science Laboratory lapan mang kerpang dang ba ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund jagusna marjar arphoi hadu arpuar bat kadon hadu arpu santli ki core computer harengkat ka jing penbiang ka wifi internet bat ka boarding electric ka babiang bat ya kani ka computer lab la ai nam ai buram ye lead Miss SS bla mam kwai ha dwaru play bat kan mau it kan mau buram ya usenyang uban he ya ka jing shakri ha ki por ki ba idang don ha kani ka slapper thai hakani ka jo ka sngi nak liang ki bor penyat skul ki lapan ku buram ru ki sangut ki khana pule ki balawan ra nam bat buram me ka skul da ka bawan ha kerdan top 10 bat top 20 ha ka jing penbi result da ka embos ha ka SSLC bat HSSLC jong snam hajar arpulai bat ha ka jo ka por lapan dan buram ru ikinong hikai jong ka education department bat commerce department jong ni ka skul hagani ka sngi na lor uba Meral Bon CM MLA NONGPOH laidon ban sakhilang da uba Eric Calvin Dekhar BDO umling CNRD block Kong PL Nonglait DSEO Riboy District, RP Bla, Chairman Alpha College of Arts and Commerce, WK Bla, Principal Alpha English High Secondary School, Pastor KB Kharpeteng, Kinong Hikai, Lembat Ki Khana School.
Very premises of the school. Would like to express my sincere thanks, as Honorable Kebla has mentioned in the beginning, that it is the dream and aspiration of Miss SS Bla, whom we fondly call when we remember about the contribution, dedication, the sincerity of our late Miss SS, we have seen, we have witnessed. And I'm not wrong to say that today the dream has come true, where this lab has been happened. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister of the State, Chief Sama. This scheme is through the Chief Minister Special Development Fund, CMSDF, of the year 2021-22. At the same time, my sincere thanks to Dr. Didi Lupang, who is a mentor of this school, who is my mentor also. I used to regard him as my guru or mentor. Father figure to me, who has contributed a lot for River District and especially to the school, working together since the inception of the school to collaborate this beautiful computer lab. And I hope that it will be a center in days to come where it will facilitate not only for the student of this school, but also to gather services for other examination like CUET and other entrance exam that is to be held. Because nowadays many exams are conducted online. We don't have center with facilities for everybody. except in USTM. Another school, authority, colleges within our district also. We hope that in days to come, more facilities will be there. And we would like to see that this very school, it will cater services to the whole district. Bekerja ini, jumlah di kita, yang kemen kalau nama ikun pas, kita di berkongsan. Berkongsan kalau habo pipi, ya kan ni sekmat, kan semua bahagian termau kendiam. Lalu dalam lesan sisniru, buat mengkret jadi kini kepala ini, kibala tristom, kibala pun, kibala kah, penhe, pensang, akor, keborong, gede-gede. Buat mengkret. Kita syukur ki SKUL ki jungi lene ki balapas, ki balatre kam berper dalam yang position ke kamai keji ni kelas no ki kini pa kam tam ki balatemen kam jule kam kom pande. Apa burung yang kini pada kilong hago kom lo. Lalu kita di background begini wan kan ya. Green kapan burung. Dan internet, social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, 50% are good, 50% are bad also. There are issues in which students, you should not be lured to several sites that are there in the internet, which will take you to another world, to a different level, which is very, very dangerous. So we should know our limits, where to browse, where to click, which one to get the information. As I have said, the strength of present day generation is information. Whoever who have more information will be strong. A country who have more information, more technology is a stronger country nowadays. Nowadays fighting a war is not like before with a sword. Will go face to face and will fight each other.